Hey, how is everyone today? Lou from RV Habit, and there's not a project today, but I want to bring you an item. Now, I have no affiliation to this company or anything. I just saw the item. I thought it was a great item, and I purchased it. I saw it on the Travels with Delaney channel on YouTube, and I have a bed that folds when you bring it in. It's very annoying. It's got a 3-foot deep slide. Let me show you. So I'm bringing the bed in, and you can see it's split in the center, and the back half goes on top of the front half, and that'll pull all the way in. And that's the closed position, and that's how we travel with it. And now I'll open it back up, and as you can see, when it slides back out, that mattress kind of goes with the slide and reopens up. So now that you see how the bed operates, which is a little unique to most RVs, but what's not unique is the slide is 3 feet deep, and 3 feet of the front of the bed is in the slide, which makes trying to make the bed in the morning just a difficult task. So I'm going to strip this bedding. I'll get the Beddys bedding on, and we'll see if it makes a difference. So this bedding comes in 2 pieces. This is the bottom piece, and it's basically just like a fitted sheet, and just goes around the 4 corners, and it has a zipper for the top part. So I'll just start putting it on up there, and then we'll get to the top part. And as you can see, it's extremely difficult to get up into these corners. So the fitted sheet part is on. This is the top part. Now this part is no easier to get on than the original fitted sheet, but what's going to make this nice is this top part is your blanket and top sheet all in one, and it'll just zip up in the morning. So these zippers here, the bed connects simply by zipping it on. And there's 2 sides, so you can totally remove this, or you can only zip it halfway down when you're sleeping, however you prefer. Start that zipper, and we'll start this zipper. And the zippers are nice and thick. They're not scrawny. They're robust. Just get this made up. I like it already. So I do notice there's 2 different types. There's you can, when you buy this, you can get cotton or what they call mink. I got the mink, and it's very plush. And it comes with this little flap, so when you are sleeping, just so you don't feel like, you know, there's no edge to your blanket, this goes over you. And push it up. And that's actually really nice. I don't even have to climb on there to make it. And that's it. That's fantastic. Then I have to center it a little bit, but that's great. It also comes with 2 pillowcases and 2 pillow shams. So I'm going to put them on, and I'll see how they look. So this is it, all made up with the 2 pillow shams and 2 pillowcases they provide. And I will say it's for a standard pillow, so if you have those like extra long pillows, those cases will not fit. Those are a standard size pillow. But once you get that fitted sheet on, this was super simple to make the bed in the morning. You saw it. You just zip it up and I was done. That is a game changer. I will say that if you go on their site, they have tons of different styles. I narrowed it down to 2, and I emailed them for samples. They sent me 2 samples, and it definitely helped me decide. They also emailed me a 20% coupon, so There are coupons out there. Make sure you use them if you're interested in this. But this is not cheap. This is going to cost you, depending on the size of your bed, over $200. But it may be a lifesaver to make it a bed in the morning. So it's something to decide. I guess I'm late to the game. These have been out for a couple years, so I'm just getting into the game with it. But so far, if I can make the bed like that every morning, it was worth the money I paid for it. But as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.